I've been fucking hoes and popping pills, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a Rockstar. Fucking with me, call up on that Uzi and show up, now them the shot dies. When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go rat-tat-tat-tat. Switch my whip, came back in black, I'm starting saying rest in peace to Bon Scott. Close that door, we blowing smoke, she asked me light a fire like a Marzon. Act a fool on stage, I probably leave my fucking show in a cop car. Shit was legendary, threw our TV out the window of the montage. Cocaine on the table, liquor pouring, don't give a damn. Till your girlfriend is a groupie, she just tryna get in. Saying I'm with the band. Now she acting out of pocket, tryna grab up on my pants. 100 bitches in my trailer say they ain't got a man, and they all brought a friend. Oh, I've been fucking hoes and popping pills, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a Rockstar. Fucking with me, call up on that Uzi and show up, now them the shot toss. When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go rat-tat-tat-tat. I've been in the hills, fucking superstars, feeling like a pop star. Drinking Henny, bad bitches jumping in the pool and they ain't got on no bra. Hit her from the back, pulling on the tracks, now she's screaming out no more. They like, savage, why you got a 12-car garage when you only got 6 cars? I am with the cake and how you kiss that. Your wife, you say I'm looking like a whole snack. Green hundreds in my safe, I got old rack. LA bitches always asking where the coke at. Living like a rock star, smash out on a cop car, sweeter than a pop